Hi, welcome to the fourth episode of Budget Analysis series. My name is Swapnil. In the last episode, we discussed how the government gets money. Now, let us deep dive into the data regarding the same thing and see if we can see any trend in the total government's receipt. I would say that the government gets 30% each from direct taxes, indirect taxes, and loans, and remaining 10% is in the form of other sources like non tax revenue and disinvestments. Where do you get this information? There is a separate receipts document under Budget at Glance menu on the budget website. Link is given in the description below. I have made a chart where you can see how different components of government's income has trended over the period of last 20 years. We can see that 1. Direct taxes are represented in yellow shades. Darker one is corporate tax and the lighter one is income tax. Share of total direct taxes has been increasing from FY 2000 to FY08. In FY08, it was almost one third of total receipts. Thereafter, it has stagnated around that level for years now. We have made a considerable progress in income tax, but the share of corporate taxes has been at the same level. Now, indirect taxes, which are represented in green shades. The darker one is the sum of excise duty and customs duty, while the lighter one is GST and service tax. Share of indirect taxes has many ups and downs. From FY02 to FY07, it was increasing. Then from FY07 to FY12, it was decreasing. Then its share rose again till FY17. Post that, its share has decreased. GST was introduced in 2018, and post GST, the share of customs and excise duty has decreased because many taxes got subsumed with GST. However, the share of total indirect taxes has not increased after the introduction of GST despite increasing GST collections. Then we come to non tax revenue, which is in blue shade. Its proportion has been steadily decreasing for a very long time now. Coming to borrowings, which is represented in brownish orangish shade, prior to 2008 financial crisis, its share was declining. But after that, it has increased and remained above 30% for a few years. Then, between FY14 and FY19, its share reduced again. But due to COVID, there was need to borrow more money because, as you can see, that the tax revenue has sharply decreased. Therefore, the share of borrowings has also gone up sharply post COVID. So typically, the shares are direct taxes account for one third or around 33%, indirect taxes account for less than 30%, and borrowings account for more than 33%. So these three roughly account for 90% of government's income. The balance is in the form of non tax revenue, disinvestments, and others. That's it for this video. Follow me for more updates and information on budget. Thank you.